How to create simple mandala. Swap fill and stroke. Click stroke layer. Change the stroke color to none. Use rectangle tool. Create a square. Dragging the ruler to center. Press Command to lock the object. Click fill layer. Go to the swatches panel. Change color to white. Use ellipse tool. Create a small circle. Use direct selection tool. Click this anchor point. Click convert selected anchor points to corner. Click this anchor point. Click convert selected anchor points to corner. Use selection tool. Adjust the shape. Go to Align panel. Click horizontal align center. Move a little bit upward. Hold Option and Shift key duplicated. Select all. Right-click select transform, then click rotate. Change the angle to 20. Click preview to check it. Click copy. Press Command D duplicate more. Alright. Hold the Command and Shift key, select this object. Go to the swatches panel. Change color to green. Select all. Press Command G, group it all. Go to Effect, select Distort and Transform. Adjust the scale %. Change the copies number 20. Change angle to 15. Click preview. Adjust the angle number. Click OK. Now we've finished one simple mandala. Use rectangle tool. Create a square. Swap fill and stroke. Create a small square. Swap fill and stroke. Use selection tool. Right-click select transform, then click rotate. Change the angle to 45. Adjust the size smaller. Move the shape to the center. Hold Option and Shift key duplicated. Hold Shift key, select these two objects. Right-click select transform, then click rotate. Change the angle to 20. Click preview to check it. Click copy. Press Command D duplicate more. Hold the Command and Shift key, select this object. Go to the swatches panel. Change color to red. Select all these objects. Hold the Shift key. Select the square. Press Command G, group it all. Go to Effect, select Distort and Transform. Click Transform. Adjust the scale %. Change the copies number 20. Change angle to 15. Click preview to check it. Click OK. Now we've finished one more simple mandala. Select these objects. Hold Option and Shift key duplicated. Move here. Select these two objects. Delete it. Select this object. Use direct selection tool. Drag the anchor point to the center. Use selection tool. Go to object, click expand appearance. Use direct selection tool. Select this red circle. Go to select, then choose same, click fill color. Use selection tool. Hold the Shift key on, select those objects. Go to the swatches panel. Change color to yellow. Now we've finished simple mandalas. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.